What's up, guys? It's Mr. Spectacular here. It is Tuesday, 15th of February, around 8:30 a.m. We're gonna do a quick early week market update, look at some charts, see what's been going on and what might be happening this week. So, as you can see, everything's pretty much up on the 24-hour. Bitcoin up 4%. Just about to touch 44K. Ethereum up 7%, BNB 9%, XRP 4%, Cardano 4%, Sol 9%. Everything is pretty much in the green today. Bunch of projects still down on the weekly. However, if things continue to be well, those figures are likely to change. Of course, at any time, and I mean absolutely any time, even by the time this goes live on the internet, Bitcoin could just decide to flip the other direction, and it's all going to go down, as you have seen over the last couple of weeks. Now, looking specifically into the charts, looking at Bitcoin here, we've had our bottom so far around 33K. We've had a run up, tiny correction, massive candle up, another run up, bit of a pullback the last couple days. We have topped out at just under 46K, pulled back to just around 42, which historically has been a pretty strong area of support. Just so happens to land perfectly on the 0.75 fib retracement. But if we look historically at this level, 42K, this big line right here, what have we had? Massive resistance over here, pulled back, broke right through it, essentially formed the foundation for the entire run-up from February till about mid-April. And then again in August, formed this resistance, we pulled back, broke through it, retested it over in September, and again was the foundation for this entire run from September, October till November, when we peaked out at 69. So if we hold this level now, there is a strong possibility we will see another, maybe not necessarily a massive run, because overall I would still advise caution. It is a bit of a shaky situation with Ukraine, with the Fed, rising rates, switching off the money printer. So like I've been saying in the past videos, guys, I believe at least for 2022, easy money is not on the table. You've got to know what you're doing. You've got to have your head switched on, and you've got to earn your money. It's not 2020, it's not 2021, when you can essentially just close your eyes, scroll to whatever coin on CoinMarketCap, and just put all your money on it and be up. You've got to know what you're doing here. And like I said, Bitcoin can just flip on us at any time. However, with this candle here holding today, again, so far, like I said, by the time you watch this, we might be down here. You never know. It's been up and down all week. But yeah, so far, things are looking good. Now, if we look at some other things, Bitcoin dominance, so that's the percentage of the overall market cap that Bitcoin holds. We seem to have peaked out at around 43.4%. Today we've been down, which means alts are moving up faster than Bitcoin. And the lower we move here, the more the alts are going to be taken over. Looking at the total market cap, just above 1.9 trillion. Again, holding this level pretty well. Total twos, which is everything except Bitcoin. Again, quite nicely up, 4%. Total threes, which are everything except Bitcoin and Ethereum, up around 3.4%. And again, we are just approaching a key fib retracement level, which if we can break through and hold, we might see a nice run on the alts. Two other things to pay attention to when it comes to the chart. One is the volatility index. The higher this goes, the more volatility we'll experience. So prices moving up or down recently, they've been crashing whenever we've broken the 30 level. So that's mainly to do with stocks. However, stocks influence crypto as well, so something for you to watch out for. Ideally, we want this to be right around here, nice and smooth. When this peaks out, things have been crashing. So we'll see what happens when stocks open up today. I think it's around 2:30 UK time, depending where you are in the world. And the last chart I want to show you is the dollar index. So this essentially shows you whether people prefer dollars over assets, over crypto, over stocks. So let's just zoom out first, and then we'll look at what's been happening recently. So here we have the peak, March 2020. It's been down, 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 all the way till May 2021. Now, what happened with crypto? March 2020. April, May 2021. So the lower this index goes, the more people prefer assets over dollars. The higher this goes, the more people prefer dollars over assets. So we've been in this range for the last couple months, and depending on which way this goes, we might see either a decent run up or just a crash in the markets. With inflation, with Fed tapering on the interest rates, this might go up, which would not be good for us if we hold stocks or crypto. However, again, it broke through, it pulled back, now it's ranging again, so you'll just have to watch and see. Now, moving on to the next thing which we always look at is the fear and greed index. So today, again, so far we are at 46, we're in fear. That's still a lot better than a month ago, which we were as extreme fear as we could be. Last week we were in neutral about 54 one of the days. So if prices keep moving up, and as long as we don't get any bad news, this will be shifting more and more in the green. And something for you to watch out for is the higher this goes, the more you should be like, okay, I need to start taking some money out, because now people are again throwing $500,000 Bitcoin predictions within the next 6 months. You'll get all these TA geniuses on YouTube saying, "Oh, Bitcoin just flashed this indicator, so yeah, we can expect another 100K plus within the next 2 weeks," and all that bollocks that you hear. Yeah, guys, as a general rule, you should be buying when everybody's scared, and you should be selling when everyone is greedy, because that's when you get the best deals, and that's when you make your profits. And not only will you be counteracting everybody else's psychology, you'll be counteracting your own psychology as well. Because ideally, you should not want to buy when you're buying, and you should not want to sell when you're selling. Because remember, these are emotions of the market, but you are part of the market as well. These are your emotions as well. When we were at... Where's the Bitcoin? When we were here, approaching 69, 70K, all you heard were predictions. Bitcoin is going to 100 next. Bitcoin is going to 150. Oh, maybe even 300 in this cycle. It's all a game. And it's the same as in poker. You don't play the cards. You play the man sitting in front of you. Whereas in this case, well, you play everybody else sitting in front of a computer. You don't play the charts. You play the man and the women and whoever else decides to trade crypto. Now, one last thing we're going to look over is a bit of news. So the main thing people talk about, aside from the usual, Bitcoin risks, heists, scams, and rug pulls. We've had Super Bowl on Sunday. Quite a few cryptocurrency ads. I have, for the record, I have not watched the Super Bowl. I just looked at the crypto ads that we've had. Yeah, FTX one looks really nice. The Matt Damon one for crypto.com, man, that got me pumped up. That got me like, I'm okay, man, I want to invest in this stuff, but it's like I'm already in, so I can't. But yeah, that's a lot of people getting exposed to this market. Really like the quality of the ads. Another thing that I want to look into is, where was this headline? Right here. That's caught my eye. Crypto braced for a 10 trillion earthquake. What the hell is going on? So it appears that our boys at BlackRock are looking to get into crypto. Now, for those of you who don't know, they're the largest asset manager in the world with $10 trillion in assets. So now be advised, guys. They're not just gonna come in, dump 10 trillion into crypto and pump all our bags. It's not gonna happen. But even if a little bit of it comes into it, that'd be good. So, and as always, guys, I always forget to say this stuff at the front, so I'll say it at the end. None of this is financial advice. You should treat this as information and education. Well, maybe we'll throw in some entertainment at some point as well. I just have to watch out with my jokes because I'm Polish. Yeah, so be careful when you invest. You can make some money, you can lose all your money. Can all go to zero. All your family's gonna make fun of you because last week you were rich, now you're asking to borrow money because all your money is in crypto and it's all gone down. Yeah, be smart, do your research. Like I always say, don't be a dumbass. because this stuff is risky. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Have a spectacular day. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what you want covered next. Have a spectacular day. I'll see you next time.